Hello everyone, happy Colorectal Cancer Awareness Month and National Nutrition Month. Today we'll be learning more about how eating a healthy diet can contribute to a healthy gut, and we'll also be sharing some gut-friendly recipe ideas with you. When you hear the gut, this refers to the gastrointestinal or GI tract, which includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestines, large intestines, and rectum. The gut helps us with absorbing nutrients by digesting the foods we eat, and it also helps us rid waste as well as cultivate healthy bacteria in our bodies. Bacteria you may normally think of in a negative manner, but a healthy gut is actually filled with millions of different types of healthy bacteria that have a lot of benefits. Healthy eating plays a key role in a healthy gut. The healthy bacteria located in the tummy and intestines helps with digesting food and absorbing the nutrients that our bodies need. It's crucial that we feed this bacteria with the best food choices day to day so it can really thrive and we can reap those health benefits. A diet rich in plant foods is necessary when it comes to having a variety of strains of healthy bacteria in the gut. So think of foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and legumes. These are all good sources of fiber, which the gut loves. And a diet rich in fiber is what feeds the healthy bacteria in the gut. When the healthy bacteria is thriving in our gut, this can improve overall immune function. It can also help with regulating mood and reduce risk of chronic disease. This infographic is from the American Indian Cancer Foundation, and it shares some examples of indigenous foods for gut health. So as you may notice, most of these foods, all of these foods are from plant-based sources. And research shows that eating a diet low in processed foods and meats and including more plant-based meals is beneficial to preventing cancer, for example, colorectal cancer. So we want to leave you with a few recipe ideas of how you can include more plant-based foods and really help promote that healthy bacteria in the gut to reap some of those health benefits. So you may choose to do some type of burrito bowl. What's really nice is you can personalize this. So you can add your favorite type of grain. Maybe you like quinoa, maybe you like rice. You can add in some type of legume, bean, vegetables of your choosing. Maybe you want to use summer squash or zucchini and do some type of burrito boat situation and bake those in the oven. Other gut-friendly recipe ideas, you may want to do a salad or some type of spin on a salad. You could do a grain-based salad with your favorite grain, wild rice, brown rice, couscous, just to name a few examples. You could, of course, always do a nice leafy green salad and add your favorite vegetables. This one happens to include roasted butternut squash. Fruit is also a really important part of our diet and can help with stimulating that healthy bacteria in our gut. So any type of fruit salad, you can always use frozen or canned fruits as well. This could be an affordable alternative, especially if you're in the winter months and fresh fruit may not be readily available. And then you can always do some type of infused water and really personalize and customize it with your favorite types of fruits to add in there. This one happens to have canned pineapple as well as some fresh mint to add some nice flavor. Gut-friendly recipe dessert ideas just to satisfy your sweet tooth. You may want to prepare some type of smoothie. This one includes blueberry as well as fresh ginger, really gut-friendly ingredients. You could also add some mashed avocado to your favorite pudding recipe to just get that gut-friendly food in there. For more recipe ideas, you can check out our website at glick.net. There's a recipe tabs loaded with several different healthy recipes that are all very much gut friendly. Join us on March 24th, Thursday, for Blue Beads Day. We'll be working towards raising awareness of colorectal cancer screening, and our health promotion disease prevention team will have an informational booth available to stay where you can learn more about early detection and how to stay up to date on cancer screenings. There'll also be a healthy recipe tasting and fun prizes available. As always, let us know if you have any questions. You can reach out via email, you can give us a call, and then you can always comment on this post as well. Thank you for tuning in and have a great week.